Hello, my name is Waleed Ballag. I am a postgraduate student at Al-Zawiya University. So welcome to my personal blog about discourse analysis subject. Do you know what is discourse analysis? Okay, here, we will provide tutorials and materials for those interested in the subject. Through this site, we will focus on how to study these materials and what preparations need to be done before taking this course. With the help of discourse analysis, we are able to find out what students are thinking when they study these materials and what they have to prepare for this subject. To learn more about discourse analysis, please click on the sub-pages above. Designed by Waleed Ballag.